Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Huawei Mate 10 Pro to an Android device. Firstly, access Play Store on both smartphones, tap on the search bar and type Send Anywhere. Now install this free app from this developer and open it. Now select I accept, confirm, continue and finally allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Over here you need to select receive on an Android and send on Huawei. Then click on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with only this one photo. Click send and tap on got it. Over here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and tap on receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on the scanning icon, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your camera at the code. But I will just input this key real quick. Choose receive and wait. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!